This video is going to show the location of the crank sensor on a 4.7 liter Sequoia. This one's an 04. I don't know if it makes a difference between 2000 to 08 when they started using the 5.7, but once you pull your skid plate off, you can just barely see it. Where are we at? Right there. Right. I can't see it. Can't see it. Get the camera to see where I'm looking. Right behind that oil pressure sensor. See if we can see it. There you can barely see the bolt back there. Let's see if we can snake it out without taking the crank off. Take a little pick or something. And work it up in there so that you can unplug that wire harness right there. I'm going to try to get that bolt out that you can barely see above that harness. It's a 10 millimeter. Alright, this is what I used to get it out. 10 millimeter bolt, socket, U-joint, 6-inch extension and 3-inch extension, and a 1/4-inch ratchet. Take it loose, get a screwdriver in there, pry it out, and let's try to see if I can pop it out. There we go. Popped it out and then it fell down sitting there beside the oil filter. And there it is. Crank sensor. It senses a ring on the back of the crank shaft inside the timing belt compartment. Open our new one. Original Denso part, which is original equipment for Toyota. And it's in a little baggie. Old one's a bit dirty and discolored and has some gunk on it and looks like maybe some rust or something. Anyway, we're going to pop it back in there. I popped it back up in there. You can see that shiny bolt hole right there. We're going to take our 10 millimeter X head bolt and secure. And there it is. Back in, connector back connected. I'm going to start up the engine and see if it still acts up like it does. My symptoms were a p0300 code, multiple cylinder misfire on every cylinder. It would only do it at idle, only do it warm, and really only do it with air conditioner running. No misfires at speed. It's not a mass airflow sensor. That's been replaced with a Hitachi. Brand new one, still continues. So we'll see what happens.